Namaskar. In this video I will discuss about choice of imagery. Mindful selection of imagery is needed on the part of the teacher of Yoga Nidra. The teacher must be sensitive to the types of symbols being used and the levels of the mind they appeal to. The signs utilize type 2 classifications. To start with, there are the conditioned signs, which are associated with our daily social, cultural, religious and moral experiences. These would vary for individuals of different areas, countries and races, and the images used from a specific cultural scenario may be totally meaningless to the practitioner whose mind has been conditioned by other kinds of signs. Then there are the universal symbols, as described by Jung, such as mantra, yantra and mandala, which form part of the awareness of every man, lady and child, regardless of social, spiritual and cultural customs. These signs form the cumulative unconscious mind of mankind, and signs utilized in this location invoke extremely deep responses. For this reason, the teacher should understand using the symbols and the types of reactions that could be produced in the student's mind.